I used to stretch and play. Red and orange, green and blue, purple sparkles dancing too. My buddy Sam and I did bring a slime stretch wide. It slipped right in. We squished and squashed, we laughed aloud. A rainbow mess, our slime cloud. It snuck on socks, it clung to hair. We giggled till we didn't care. Mom just sighed, but then she smiled. At least you made Mama's day more wild.